For me, it looks like more consistency, a smooth equity curve. I don't want to have big ups. Well, I do want to have big ups, but I don't want to have big ups followed by big downs. I want to have a nice smooth equity curve, and I want to continue to find ways to get there. I always think trading. I still play a little bit of golf, but I used to play a lot of golf. And I think I like it because it's a lot like golf. It's it's just you versus you. You're playing on the course. That's the market. And, if you hit a bad shot in the woods, you can either, try to be a hero and end up getting a 10 on the hole, or just chip it out, get your bogey, and then move on, and you still have a chance to put in a good score. So trading is a lot like that. And then you have to deal with, if you play golf, if you hit a drive right down the middle, it could end up in a divot. And it's like you did everything right and you still kind of got screwed here, but that happens in trading too. So it's like you just have to minimize the mistakes that you can, and then get over, if you have losses or something turns against you, you can buy a stock and there's some surprise announcement that comes out and you all of a sudden have a 10 or 15% loss or worse. So, it's going to happen. So you just need to deal with it and get over with. But yes, my ideal trading is not to make any of those 10s on a hole for golf. Don't do anything stupid. Think about it, just worry less about the returns. And I said I wanted the smooth equity curve, but that comes after the process. So focus more on the process first. I know what works for me, and it's nothing complicated. Just kind of buy what's working at spots where I know if it's not working, I'm going to get out, and position size correct, and take gains when they're available off their position. So I know what I need to do. It's just focus on the process and just do that, and don't do those impulse trades. Don't do those stupid, hey, I'm going to take my stop off, this one's coming back. Just be disciplined, and then the results will follow.
Hey, it's Evan here. I hope you enjoyed this clip from our full-length interview. Don't forget, if you want to hear this entire episode with even more insights from our awesome guest, you can find it by searching the Smarter Trading Podcast in iTunes or on your favorite podcast app. You can also find all of the show notes for this episode by heading to thetraderisk.com/podcast. Thanks for tuning in.